This is the homework video for Wednesday 3/15/17. You're doing page 13 and page 14, number 3 and number 4. We did talked about number 3 in class, so you should actually already have that done. But be careful, there is a secret message attached to that, so you need to listen. So here it's asking you to circle the outlier, which is right here. It's the one far away from all of the other points in the line. And then compare any outliers to the predicted values for the model. Well, this outlier has a value of about 230. It's not 250 yet. These tick marks, by the way, were to help me to count here. I was figuring this is 150, 175, 200, and then this is maybe 225, but this is a little further over than 225, so I estimated 230. Might even be a little bit higher than that. And then 420 is the price in dollars of the ticket. But if you use the model, you'd go straight up here, and if you had a 230-minute flight and you went straight over to see what the model would predict, it predicts a cost of about $150. So this ticket cost way more than the predicted price would be. And then the secret message is that it does make sense that in general these points are clustering up in a positive association for this, also called positive correlation for this graph, because the more flight time your flight has, the more fuel the plane takes, and the longer the pilots and the attendants have to be paid. So in general it just costs more, and the longer you fly. I'm not saying this point makes sense, I'm just saying it makes sense that there's a general upward trend here, positive correlation. The second one showed you height versus 3-point percentages, and I didn't understand on this one why there's a general negative trend. It doesn't make sense to me why the taller you are, the worse your 3-point percentage would be, but then I don't really know basketball. So the outlier was this one right here, where it was 85 inches, and the person had about 14 as their 3-point percentage. And then if you went the actual, if you had 85 height, the line would predict that you'd have 30 as your 3-point percentage. So that's a pretty big difference. And that's it for tonight. Have a great night.